Hello again, welcome back to my channel. I have a sort of different video for you today. This is my 2020 planner, and it is the Efficient Life Planner, and this is the first time I've done a non-spiral bound, and it has cream colored pages, and I will tell you that I am seriously liking this. Although I believe next year I am going to go to a day on a page because the YouTube channel and everything, I just have a lot to add in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go ahead and decorate for next week because I do decorate, but I kind of just stick sticky notes in there until I get everything where I want it to be, because I don't know, I tend to like go by color, and so this week is actually purple. And I have several planners. I know that's weird. This is a Filofax, the 3-ring bound, and it is more of like a notebook for my YouTube channel to be able to keep track of everything. And I really like that. So, because I can take the pages out as I need. And I have several. This is the Domino. I have a couple of these in this size and the bigger size. I also have the Maldens. I actually really like the Filofax. This is kind of the cheapo one that I bought, which is just the monthly view. When I started my YouTube channel, which was obviously just in January, so I was trying to just make sure that I did everything I needed to do, and all I did on it was I took washi tape and colored the edges. So just to give me a month view. So this and this, and I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1. These go together. So next year I'm going to actually try to combine it all. I do really like this for the notebook aspect of it. But I think if I had a day on a page, just one, like, you know, Monday, Tuesday, and then I think it would be a lot easier for me. I have been trying to work through this rainbow. It's the Rainbow Create 360 Me and My Big Ideas planner, and it's just rainbow. So every color that I want to use is in here, and I picked this up at Tuesday Morning for $5.99. I am also using I'm trying to work through the Chrissy Ann, and this is the well, I don't even know what collection this is. It's Chrissy Ann Designs. It says Celebrate Your Life. It's got 5 sheets, but they're more like to-dos, and I have actually really worked through that one. I also have the Happy Planner, and I've been working through, I've been using these not just all year, but all last year as well, so I have made a dent. I have the Chrissy Ann 10 sheets, and this is this is a holiday one, so it's got like the winter bucket list, your spring bucket list. I bought it. I really honestly have not used a lot of these. I have these random little sheets of washi stickers, and anything that has to do with my upcoming wedding. My friend at work, one of my coworkers, got me these cute little wedding planning stickers. So these are from Bloom Planners, and they're really cute. So anything that has to do with wedding planning, I do that. And then I just have this random little bin here of what's it nots and stuff, and just different things. So sometimes I reach into that and grab it. But I do use sticky notes, because I don't want to write on the page until it's designed. I know I'm weird, but that's just how it is. So we are doing purple, and I tend to, like, if it's blue or teal or pink or orange, I write in the color that, or just like black. So I usually kind of randomly go through So I have that length begins in the second, which I feel like it already has, but whatevs. I'll just kind of go through and try. So like I always try to look in this first, but there is nothing in here that I'm going to be able to use this time. It's not fall, it's not summer, technically it's still not spring. And I don't want to do winter stuff, so that's done. Alright, so there's a purple girls' night. Alright, so I'm gonna put this one right here, which is a little blow dryer, because I need to call and make my hair appointment. Oh, great. That pin didn't work. Grab my old standbys. Alright, that one took a little longer than it should have. So call and make my hair appointments. Then I kind of just set these out so I can see what's what. I don't have a dentist, I don't have nothing, so that one's done. There is no purple there. Well, that was entertaining. See, and then it gets done, like then I start kind of like looking at stuff, and then I choose the color that I'm going with, but I hadn't done purple in a while, so. And this is going to be the purple sheets back here. So we're gonna do maybe. So this one that says today's plans, I'm gonna put here on Monday. And because right here is my work appreciation lunch. So it is put this remember right here, so casual dress for work. And my handwriting, I'm trying to write fast, so it's gonna get kind of sloppy and it'll be a pain. So EPDG, work lunch, and prizes. And then I always write Sam Drive because it's late start Mondays for his high school. He doesn't start until 9 a.m. And let's see, is there any purple in here that I can use? Don't forget to be awesome. There might not be because, oh, we can use the arrows. We're gonna use that. See, and they're also falling apart, but it's fine. Just trying to use it up. Okay. So, do you guys do you decorate your planners? Like I've got the girl at work into it now, like to where she's always had a planner, but she's never been like crazy and decorated it, and now she's like, oh, thanks. I'm like, you're welcome, because yeah, I know. It is so addicting. Like, and I just randomly put stuff down now, like it's not, to me it doesn't, like I try to coordinate like some of them to be able to match and stuff, but you know, if they don't, they don't. and like this is the first planner I ever had that had cream colored paper, so all my stickers are white, so it's just like, yeah, you just gotta deal with it, you know. And I'm just gonna randomly put some arrows because, and that's all I do. I just do it really for like pretty. Just pretty. So, I've seen a lot of people and I usually use that just to like this base, just to make some sort of like little pop. Use this little arrow here. It's and then I will write on these later, like when things come in, like I do fill it up a lot, so but yeah, so this is just, I absolutely adore and love my planners, and I cannot get enough of them. So we're gonna, and I try to use as much of these as I can, be like I said, you know, just, but I make sure it's stuff that I can write on at a later date as well, because, well, I'm gonna need to write on it at some point. And I just randomly stick stuff down. I already said, you know what I mean? Like it is what it is. I'm just grabbing all purple stuff, and those stickers are not sticking. Looks like arrows is the theme. Sometimes I grab different things, but I decided to cut it back because I used to have like, I not used to, I still do have the, I have like 5 of those planner books, the decorative books, and I used to go through each one and I'm like, all right, that's too much. We need to cut it back, work through this one, and when this one's done, then, you know, move to the next one, and so on and so forth. And so I have started to use those other books in my project life and New Life monthly that I do. Every month I take one event of some sort, and that was kind of like the, you know, the showstopper for the month, and make a little journaling type 6x4 card and make that in, like, you know, just to document it. So I've done good. I'm pretty far, actually. I'm pretty proud of myself for sticking. I mean, I've got up to, and I'm only like a couple months behind, which usually I wait until there's like 3 or 4 months to do, and then I just get them all done at the same time. So just to keep it, you know, because if I just do one, then I'm not going to want to do it. So put this right here to fill that in. And that right there, and then it was the 5th, so I'm going to come back here and I'm going to grab a 5. Just put right there. And you know what? Actually, that's kind of cool. I might just do that all month long, trying to use these up, huh? I mean, the numbers are there already, but maybe just for something different to use these up, and these little arrows are not going to stick. So and I know I've got this one right here. I'll just kind of do that just because it'll annoy me throughout the week. And I have gotten like so used so used to my planner that everything goes in it. Like I write work stuff down, I write personal stuff, you know, I mean, it's like basically my giant notebook. I'm not that busy, but it's stuff that I need to remember to do. Like, okay, remember that, you know, just, and I've always been a planner nut. Me and my best friend are actually going to go to PlannerCon, hopefully one day. I want to go to the page maps. For March. At some point I need to get 2 new Irish shirts for St. Patty's Day. My future husband will not wear one. I have to, this is a big day. This is a big day with some really big plans. Paying off my final loan. All right, now like here, I know that the trash goes out. And this would be Sam's day. Do something with him. Balance checkbook. Pay bills. And that's it. That is just kind of how I do it. And then like, you know, okay, so for next week, I already have a couple things that I wrote down. This will be a green week, which is why I already wrote that in green because I know that will be green. But as the week progresses, I will probably add different stickers and stuff. But so I hope you liked the video. Thumbs up. Go ahead and thumbs up if you liked the video. And hit the subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more of what I do. And have a great day. Bye.